In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an employee's job title in QuickBooks Accountant. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a quick refresher, you'll find this process straightforward and easy to follow. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you should choose QuickBooks Online to proceed. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the right one, as it's crucial to be in the correct environment when you're making changes to employee information. Once you've done that, you'll need to type in your login credentials. That means entering your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. After doing so, click on Continue to access your account. It's always a good practice to ensure that your password is secure and known only to you to protect sensitive company information. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to locate your employees section. You'll want to look for the Employees tab, which can typically be found on your dashboard or under a drop-down menu depending on your QuickBooks interface. Click on this to view all the employees associated with your account. Once you're in the Employees section, you'll need to click on the specific employee profile you wish to update. This is usually done by clicking directly on the employee's name. If you have a long list of employees, you might use the search function to quickly find the profile you're looking for. After you've selected the employee profile, the next step involves clicking on Personal Info. This is where various details about the employee are stored and you can make edits as needed. Now within this section, you will notice an Edit button. Click on Edit to access the fields that you can modify. Here you'll be able to change a variety of personal and employment information, but in this case we're focusing on the job title. It's a good idea to double check the current title to avoid any confusion. With the editing fields open, go ahead and enter the new job title you wish to assign to the employee. Make sure that the title is spelled correctly and accurately reflects the responsibilities of the employee, as this can have implications for their role and potentially their pay scale. Finally, after making the necessary updates, you'll want to ensure those changes are saved. Look for the Save button and click it to finalize the update. If everything has been entered correctly, you should see a confirmation or a message that lets you know the changes have been successfully saved. And there you have it, you've successfully updated an employee's job title in QuickBooks Accountant. Remember, keeping this information up to date is crucial for maintaining a clear record of your employees' roles within your company. Thank you for following this tutorial, and until next time, happy accounting.